Snack time. Mint condition, 150,000 mile Dodge Ram.
Almost mint. There's little bits of rust here and there, but for 150,000 miles,
This guy takes care of it.
Yeah, no, this thing's in excellent
So he said that this is a new diff. I mean, there's brand new bolts in it. The customer supplied his own diff. I'm fine with that. Put it all the way up here. All the way up. All the way up. Nothing can stop me. All the way up. Mint. Mint condition. Yeah, so check this drive shaft here. And why we're replacing it is because the axles are shaking. This one's worse than the other one, and he doesn't want that. He wants the truck to be perfectly fine. So he was towing heavy equipment with this at one time. I know the history of this vehicle. And I said, I'd really like to send the rear drive shaft out to have it checked for balancing. I did check the U-joints on it. But the truck is mint. Mint condition Dodge Ram. So he ordered that online. Can you put these back so they don't get lost?
Yeah.
Ordered this online. And supposedly it's brand new. It looks brand new. But we're going to replace the axle shafts in the front too, and we're going to check that main shaft. Yeah, it's very common that the Dodge Ram front axles either seize to the output shafts, or the output shafts are so worn out that the axle's rattling around on there and shaking, and then that years of abuse wears out the insides of the differential too. All right, let's make it new. Thanks for watching.